In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy and publish Replit AI agent apps. Full tutorial. We'll start on the Replit homepage. From here, you can see the different app types you can build. It helps to quickly scan what's available so you pick the right starting point. You'll notice options like web app, mobile app, data app, and even 3D game. For AI-driven experiences, open the Agents and Automations section. This area is optimized for building apps that use agent behaviors and automations. Once you're there, choose Web App to create an agent app with a browser-friendly interface. Give your project a clear name so you can find it later and keep it organized alongside other work. A short, descriptive title is best. When you're ready, click Start to create the project. Replit will provision everything you need, including a development environment and a runnable preview. After your project opens, head to Build. This is your central workspace where you'll plan, make changes, and test. Begin with the panel labeled Ask Questions, Plan Your Work. Use it to clarify what the app should do, outline the main user flows, and capture any constraints. Treat this like a living checklist. It keeps you focused and avoids scope creep. When that's in good shape, move to Make. Test, iterate. This is where you implement your plan, run the app, and refine. Keeping the feedback loop tight here will save time before you publish. When your app is functioning the way you want, open Publish. This is where the deployment happens. You'll see fields or toggles to prepare your app for release. Add or confirm the key details so your app is easy to recognize. Make sure everything looks right, then proceed. When you're confident, click Publish. Replit will build and deploy your app, and in a moment you'll have a live version ready to share. After publishing, you'll get a public link you can send to testers or users. If anything doesn't look right, return to Build, make adjustments in Make, Test, Iterate, and then publish again to push the updates. It's normal to go through a few rounds of polish. A quick tip. Keep an eye on your app's startup messages and logs as you iterate. Catching small issues early leads to smoother releases. And that's the full flow. Start at Replit Home, explore templates, pick agents and automations with a web app, name it, click Start, plan and build, iterate, and then publish to go live. Follow this sequence